Hello friend, my name is SN Patil. In this video lecture we discuss matrix, different type of matrix and some matrix of algebra. Okay, the first of all, what is the matrix? Matrix is a arrangement of n numbers in m rows and n columns and enclosed in a square bracket or round bracket is called matrix of order m by n. Generally, matrix is denoted by capital letters A, B, C, and so on, and defined as capital A is equal to Aij, Aij. These are the elements of the matrix, and bracket complete m by n. This indicate the order of the matrix. See here. So this is the matrix which is denoted by the capital letters, and these are the Aij. These are the elements of the matrix. For example, A is equal to 2 minus 3 0 5. So this is the matrix of order 2 by 2. B is equal to 0 minus 5 6. So this is the matrix of order. See here m indicate number of rows and n indicate number of columns. So here the number of rows 1 and number of columns are 3, that is 1 by 3. C is equal to, suppose, 2 minus 1 0 5 6 6 and minus 7. So this is the matrix, rectangular matrix, and the order of this matrix is the number of rows 3 and number of columns 2. Okay, now let us discuss the next types of matrix. Types of matrix, in which first we discuss the row matrix. Row matrix means what? It has the only one row, okay, and it is defined as capital A is equal to Aij, okay. I is equal to 1. It means it has only one row and it has n columns. For example, A is equal to 3 5 0 minus 1 7. Okay, so this is the row matrix. What is the order of this matrix? Is 1 by number of column 1 2 3 4 5, that is 1 by 5. Now second example, B is equal to 0 and 1. So what is order? 1 by 2. C is equal to simply 1. So this is also row matrix, and what is its order? 1 by 1. Okay, now next, column matrix. Column matrix, it has only one column. Okay, see here, it is defined as Aij is Aij, where I is running from 1 to m and j is only one. That is only one row, only one column is there. For example, A is equal to 3 5 0 minus 1 7. Okay, so it has only one column. What will be the order of this matrix? Is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5, that is 5 by 1. Now second example, 0 1. It has only one column and number of rows 2, that is 2 by 1. C is equal to 1. Number of column is 1, that is 1 by 1 matrix. Now next, zero matrix. Zero matrix means in which all the elements are 0. All the elements are 0. See here, Aij is 0 for all I and j. Okay, I is running from 1 to m and j is running from 1 to n. For example, A is equal to 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this is the zero matrix. B is equal to 0. This is the zero matrix. All the entries are 0. Okay, that is the zero matrix. Now next, square matrix. Square matrix means what? When number of columns is same as number of row. Yeah, number of rows is equal to number of columns is called square matrix. For example, A is equal to 3, 5, 6, 4, minus 1, 0, 2, 5, 3. Okay, so this is the square matrix of order 3 by 3. That is, m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 3. Number of columns 3 and number of rows are 3. B is equal to 0, minus 1, 3 and 5. So here number of rows 2 and number of columns also 2. That is the square matrix. That is, number of rows is equal to number of columns is called as a square matrix. Now diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means what? In which all non-diagonal elements are 0 is called as a diagonal matrix. See, for example, A is equal to, let us consider the 3 by 3 matrix. See, the diagonal matrix is a square matrix. 3 by 3, that is 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 5, 0, 0, 0, and 7. So this is the diagonal matrix. B is equal to 3, 0, 0, minus 1. This is the diagonal matrix. See, the all non-diagonal elements are 0. These are the non-diagonal elements and they are 0. Okay. Now next is identity matrix. Identity matrix is nothing but the diagonal matrix, but in which all diagonal elements, diagonal element 1, a unit, is called as an identity matrix. See, for example, which is denoted by the I, that is 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the identity matrix of order 2 by 2. Similarly, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the identity matrix of order 3 by 3. Okay. Now next, scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is nothing but the, again, diagonal matrix. Okay. Its diagonal elements are same, that is 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. Okay. This is the scalar matrix. This, the diagonal elements are A, yeah, B, C. It become 1, then it become identity matrix. So other than one value is there, then it is a scalar matrix. Okay. Now next, upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix means what? The below diagonal elements are 0 is called as a upper triangular matrix. Means what? Aij is equal to 0, 0 when I is strictly greater than 0. Okay, see, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, see, what is the condition? If I is greater than j, strictly greater than j, then its value is 0. See here 2 is greater than 1. Okay, strictly sign is here not equal to. So these are the elements whose values 0. Okay, so for example, a is equal to 1, 2, minus 3. Okay, 0, 5, 0. Okay, 0, 0, and minus 1. See, these are the element of the upper triangular. Okay, these are the diagonal, and what is the definition? Below the diagonal element, the element should be a 0 is called as a upper triangular. Similarly, for lower triangular, in lower triangular is better. In lower triangular, above the elements, above the diagonal, the elements above the diagonal are 0. That is, Aij is equal to 0 when I is less than j. Okay, see, that is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A3 3. Okay, what is the condition? If I is less than j, I means row, I means first position. Okay, see here, I is less than j, I is less than j, I is less than j means these three elements become 0. Okay, for example, a is equal to 1 0 0 5 minus 1, okay, 0 3 6 minus 8. Okay, what is the definition? Above the diagonal element, above the diagonal elements are 0. Okay, that is the lower triangular matrix. Okay, and when matrix either upper or lower, that is called as a triangular matrix. The definition of triangular matrix means it should be either upper triangular or lower triangular, is called as a triangular matrix. Okay, now next, symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix means what? When aij is equal to aj I. Okay, for example, see, we have the element a11, okay, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33. Okay, when these elements are same, these elements are same, then matrix is symmetric matrix. For example, a is equal to minus 1 2 5, minus 1 3 5, that is 3 0 0 minus 1. Now here 5 minus 1 and 2. So this is the symmetric matrix. See the position. Okay, this is A1 2 and this is the A2 1. Both are the same. This is the position of A2 3 and this is the position of A3 2. These are the same position. That is Aij is equal to Aj I. Okay. Now next, skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix means what? Aij is equal to minus time Aj I. Okay, and diagonal elements are 0. Okay, for example, a is equal to, I'm going to take the same type of the example, 0 3 5, okay, minus 3 0 minus 1 minus 1, here minus 5 plus 1 0. Okay, now see the position, the element is same, only sign is different. Okay, the sign is different. So this is the skew symmetric matrix. Now transpose of matrix. Transpose of matrix is obtained from given matrix by interchanging rows and columns, is called transpose of matrix A. It is denoted by A raised to T or A column, means in given matrix row become column and column become A. That is, suppose we have the matrix 2 minus 5 3 and 0. What is this transpose? The transpose of this matrix is the row, it become a column. Okay, the second row, it becomes a second column. So this is the transpose of the A matrix. Now next, trace of the matrix. Trace of the matrix means what? Sum of the diagonal elements is called the trace of the matrix. It will be helpful for when we discuss the eigenvalues and eigenvector. Okay, for example, suppose A is equal to 3 0 5 and 7. Okay, then trace of this matrix is sum of the diagonal element, that is trace of the matrix is 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Now singular matrix. Singular matrix means what? When the determinant of that matrix is 0. Okay. Non-singular means what? When determinant is non-zero. For example, suppose here 2 minus 5, 4 and minus 10. Okay. Now when we calculate its determinant, that is, suppose this is A matrix, then its determinant of A is 2 minus 5, 4 minus 10 is equal to, that is, minus 20, and this minus minus plus plus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, if we consider 3 by 3 matrix, in which suppose at least two rows, at least two row or two column is same, that time the determinant is same, or in a multiple, then the determinant is 0. If n by n matrix is there, n by n square matrix is there, at least two row or two column same, then its determinant is 0. Non-singular matrix, for example, if determinant is non-zero, then non-singular matrix, that is A is equal to 2 minus 5, 1 and 3. Then its determinant is that is 6 minus minus plus 5, that is 11, and which is non-zero, that is non-singular matrix. Now next, equality. Let us discuss the matrix algebra. Two matrices A and B are equal when they are having the same order and their elements should be a same. That is, A is equal to, for example, A is equal to 2 3 5 0. Okay, and B is equal to 2 3 5 0. The first condition, it should be a same order. See, they are having the same order, and see their element, 2 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 3, 5 is equal to 5, 0 is equal to 0. The matrix are the same. Now next, sum of the two matrices. Yeah, difference of the two matrices. Now we have the two matrices. A is equal to m by n order, and B is equal to Bij, means m by n order. Okay, the sum and subtraction difference is exists if and only both having the same order. If A and B having the same order, then addition or subtraction is exists. Otherwise, no. See here, the order of the A is m by n and B also m by n. For example, A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7 and 7. B is equal to 0, minus 1, 5 and 3. Then what is the addition? A plus B. So first of all, check it should be a same order. Yes, 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, that is the first condition. Now the addition is sum of the first element, and here sum of the first element, that is 2 plus 0. Now sum of the second position of the matrix, 3 plus, okay, now 5 plus 9, and second 7 plus 3. So we get 2, here 3 minus 1, that is 2, here 5 plus 9, 14, and here 3. So this is the sum of matrix. Same rule for the difference. Okay. Now next, scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication, we have the k is any number, then k is multiplied to the matrix, given matrix, then k is multiplied to the every element of that matrix. For example, suppose A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 8, 2 and 1. Then suppose k is equal to 2. Then 2 times A is equal to, then 2 is multiplied to the every number, that is 2 into 3, 6, 10, 4, 14, 16 and 2. Okay, the scalar, the k is multiplied to the every element of the matrix A. Now next is multiplication of the two matrices. For multiplication of two matrices, it should be a condition. The condition is what? The first matrix. In first matrix, see the column. Okay, the matrix multiplication is exists if and only if number of columns of first matrix is same as the number of row of the second matrix. Okay, then its multiplication A into B is equal to Cij. Okay, then order of this matrix, new matrix, it m into n. This is m by n, and it can be written as in the summation aik into bkj, where k is running from 1 to p. We can prove this. We can prove this. See, this is the Cij matrix. This is the Cij matrix. That is the matrix multiplication. Now I am going to take, suppose particularly, suppose 3 by 3. 3 by 3, yeah, 2 by 2. Okay, let us take the 2 by 2 matrix. Then C11, C12, C21 and C22. Now see here, C11, C11 means this first position. This is the first position of the element, and this one is a second position of the B element. A element first and B element second, and then K is vary. K is varies from 1 to P. P is here, see here. This is the P. This is the P. P means what? See here. A is 2 by 2 and B is 2 by 2. Now this is the P, and P is equal to 2. Then what we get? See, I is 1, J is 1. I is 1, J is 1. Only vary the K. Then we get A1 1. A1 1. Okay. Now into B1 1 first. Now A1 2. A1 2 second iteration into B2 1. Now here the first position is 1, and the second position means position for the J is 2. That is A1 1 into B1 2 plus next iteration. Now A1 2 into K is 2 and J is 2, B2 2. Now next, the first position is here 2 and this last one is 1. Okay, and run the K is running from 1 to 2, that is A2 1 into B1 1 plus next iteration A2 2 B2 1. Now next, here position is 2 2, that is A2 1, K is 1, B1 2 plus A2 2 into B2 2. Let us verify. Suppose we have the A. We have the A is equal to now I'm direct putting its value. A into B is equal to A1 1, A1 2, A2 1, A2 2. Now into B1 1, B1 2, B2 1, B2 2. Now see the first row. We go through first definition. Now see our proper method. The first row is multiplied to the first column. That is A1 1 into B1 1. See, A1 1 into B1 1. That is the multiplication of first position. Now second, A1 2. A1 2 into B2 1. See here. A1 2 into B2 1. See in this way. That is first row is multiplied to the first column. Now first row is multiplied to the second column. See here. A1 1 and B1 2 plus A1 2 into B2 2. This is the B2 2. Okay, finish. Now second row is multiplied to the first row, that is A2 1 into B1 2, B1 1, A2 2, A2 2 plus A2 2 into B2 1, A2 2 into B2 1. That is the second row multiplied to the first column. Now second row multiplied to the second column. See here. That is A2 1 into A1 2, A2 1 into A1 2. Now A2 2 into B2 2. So this is the matrix multiplication. Okay, let us take the particular example. Now let us first verify whether multiplication is exist or not. Suppose A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 4. B is equal to minus 2, 3, 1, 0, 2, 1. Okay, first check whether it is multiplication exists or not. For that, check the number of column. Number of column. Here number of column of first matrix. First matrix is 2. Okay, and check the number of rows of second matrix, also 2. That is matrix multiplication is exists. Now a into b is obtained by the first row. I'm direct putting the simplification. First row is multiplied to the first column, that is 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 0, 3 into 0. First row is multiplied to the second column, that is 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2. First row is multiplied to the last column, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1. Now next, second row is multiplied to the first column, that is 5 into minus 2 plus 4 into 0. Now next, second row multiplied to the second column, that is 5 into 3 and 4 into 2. Now second row is multiplied to the third column, that is 5 into 1 plus 4 into 1, 4 into 1. So we get this is minus 4 and plus 0. Here minus 4. Now next, that is 6. 3 into 2, 6 plus 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Now this is 2 plus 3, that is the 5. Now here minus 10 into 0, sorry, plus 0, minus 10 plus 4 into 0, that is 0. So here we get the minus 10. Now next, this is 15. This is 15 plus 8. 15 plus 8, that is 23. Now 5 plus 4 is 9. So this is the matrix multiplication. Okay. Thank you.